Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Han and I'm going to be taking you through this amazing tutorial. Now in this video, let's say you wanted to change your Windows PC cursor to look more like the Mac OS cursor. As you can see right here on my desktop, I'm having the Mac OS cursor, as you can see. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before we get started, here's the intro. So to change your PC cursor to Mac OS, all you need are these files right here, and I will be leaving the link to the download of these files in the video description. So I'm just going so I will hit on download right here in a second, and that should download these files for me on my PC. So as you can see, they have been downloaded, osxmouse.zip, and I will need a software to basically unzip the files right here in a second. So I will download WinRAR right here in a second, and I'm going to be hitting on open, yes, and that should install WinRAR for me on my PC. I'll also leave a link to the download of WinRAR down in the video description. So I'm just going to go over to my files, basically to my file explorer, and I'm going to right click on this zip file, and I'm going to extract to the basically corresponding folder, and I'll just open it. So there are a bunch of icons right here. So there are a bunch of icons which are going to be a part of your cursor, but for now all we need is this installer file right here. So I'm going to be right clicking on it, and I will hit on install, and that should install the macOS cursor on your PC. So if that's done, I'm going to be closing out this, and I'll just hit on done, and all right, close, and I'll close these two, and I'll close these two and this. All right, so don't click off the video just yet. We are not done, and we are going to basically set up this cursor to work on our PC. So if you're on Windows 10 like me, you will just need to hit on this search icon right here and search for mouse settings, and that should give you the mouse settings right here. So all we need is to hit on these additional mouse options, and then go into the pointers tab, where we will see this shim basically, and we are going to click on this drop down, and all we need, so basically if everything has gone well, you should have this El Capitan, something like that, on your drop down, and after selecting it, it should bring out the macOS cursor right here. So I'm just going to hit on apply, and I'll hit yes, and then I'll hit on OK. And as you can see guys, my cursor has already changed to the macOS cursor, as you can see right here. So thanks a lot for watching, thanks a lot for supporting the channel. That's all I had for you in this video. See you in my next video.